Okay, go.
Look, Mommy.
What is it?
There's a lollipop.
Yes, it is. What's next? What dinosaur have jaws like this? What is it?
Taste
Okay, can you read that to mommy?
a very hungry caterpillar
Yeah.
in the light of the moon, a little egg laying on the leaf. One
One.
Sunday morning, the warm sun came out and pop!
Out of the egg came
Tiny little caterpillar.
G is for what?
Giraffe.
Yes.
Not gorilla.
It could also be gorilla, but what's next?
It's apple.
Yeah, G is also for gorilla. Good boy.
Mommy.
And giraffe.
Daddy. Ano?
Oh my goodness. I'm big boy.
Try Mommy and Sasha there.
Oh, mommy and Saset. Mommy and Saset.
Can you go outside?
Come here. Oh, it's raining.
Oh, we have to go inside now.
Can you hear that? It's raining.
Wait,
I go like this. See? Buti natapos natin gawin.
An umbrella. We need an umbrella. We need an umbrella.
No, we need to go inside. It's raining.
Umbrella. Pansin.
Hi, hello, how are you? Super bored na. Nakakailang linggo na ba tayo? I don't even have an idea. I am going to organize this box. Randy is upstairs with Seth. Pinapatulog niya na si Seth, but I can still hear them, so I don't think tulog na sila. This is what we call the Balikbayan box. So this is a box that we send to the Philippines. Usually takes like 2 months. 2 months or so. I don't know ngayon kung gaano siya katagal because sobrang tagal dumating ng mga shipments ngayon. So maybe this will take longer. I don't know. I just start to organize it so that I know how full it is. Hindi naman to minamadali. So parang kung may sale lang, then we'll buy them and put something in here. But this has been here for a long time. So, hindi ko na alam kung ano mga laman nito. Let's see what we have inside this box. Okay, so wala na siyang laman. And ang konti lang pala ng laman niya pa. Like, ito lang siya. Kasi, ito mga to is puro mga sa storage namin. Like, wrapping paper, books, and stuff like that. And then these are Halloween chocolates. So, yan. Dahil hindi pa siya napuno, so hindi siya napadala. Ngayon, expired na yung mga chocolate. So, like, kung ano-ano lang mga pinapadala. Like, this is for my nephew. Wall stickers. So, if I see, like, toys that are on sale or that are cheap, like this Baby Alive. This is very expensive in the Philippines. Yeah, so this is for my other niece. This one, I got it for $11. It's a Lala Lipsy doll. This is for Ate Keisha. Maybe I'll just do a haul of what I have here. Ooh, lighting. Look at my eye bags. Anyways, they're like different mugs. Hindi ko na... I won't be able to show you what it looks like because binalot ko na sila. Boys' clothes, like baby boys' clothes for my nephew. Like, what? Cute that is. I think I also put here some of Seth's used clothes, but you know, mga bata ngayon, once or twice lang nilang nasusuot yung damit nila. So, it's still good as new. And this one too, it's like a backpack. It's like a diaper bag. This for my nanay. So cute! More clothes in here. These are what we send back home. Like, you know, Canada t-shirts, Canada merch. Clearances like Winners or Marshalls. So like, shirts. I think this will be for my brother. And then this one is for my other brother, who's bigger. Ooh, this is like a Ipsy bag. But what's in here are like yung mga jewelry. I don't know why I buy them kasi hindi ko naman ginagamit. They're cute, like earrings. These are all like accessories. Archie comics. I have a cousin that loves reading them. I used to read them a lot, but not anymore. So yeah, these are like the very thick digests. So Archie comics. Who used to love Archie comics? I love them. I honestly think na that's how I learned how to speak English. Wine ginger. So these are, what do you call these? Fragrance mist, body mist. This chocolate is my grandma, my Lola's favorite. So every time someone's going home or kung magpapabox kami, I always send her this vitamins for my mom. And then coffee. When I see coffee on sale, these are just instant coffee. Ayun na siya lahat. Wala na. Usually, this will get filled up with chocolates and clothes and just different stuff. And this will go in the basement. And these are garbage, unfortunately. Sorry, I feel bad. Okay, so tapos na. Ayan na siya. Maluwag na. So this is the part where it's like you're playing Tetris. You have to make sure that every nook and cranny of this box and all the stuff inside it is filled. Dapat there's no wasted space. At least now we know what's in it. And then yeah, tatanungin din namin yung like my uncles if they want to send something with the box. That way mas mabilis siyang mapupuno. Then mas mabilis siyang mapapadala. So, we'll see. But yeah, matutulog na ako. Siyempre, ang aga natutulog, di ba? 9:50 pa lang. Wala pa palang 10 o'clock. So, anyways, thank you for watching the video. And we'll see you again on the next one. Bye-bye!